Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you develop a boil, you may be tempted to pop it or lance it open with a sharp instrument at home. Don't do this. It may spread infection and make the boil worse. Your boil may contain bacteria that could be dangerous if not properly treated.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
It can take anywhere from 2 to 21 days for a boil to burst and drain on its own. However, if a boil becomes bigger, does not go away, or is accompanied by fever, increasing pain, or other symptoms, a person should see their doctor. Following treatment, a boil should drain and heal fully.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
A boil is a localized infection in the skin that begins as a reddened, tender area. Over time, the area becomes firm, hard, and increasingly tender. Eventually, the center of the boil softens and becomes filled with infection-fighting white blood cells from the bloodstream to eradicate the infection.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
To help to prevent boils, take a vitamin and mineral supplement that includes iron, as mild iron deficiency affects the production of natural antibacterial chemicals used by white blood cells to fight infections.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
A boil will always start to point towards the skin surface and will eventually burst, draining the pus, relieving pain, and will then heal. This whole process can take 2 weeks, and often doctors will lance the boil early, make a deliberate hole in it to allow the pus to drain, to speed up the healing process.
Take our lead.
A boil is a common, painful infection of a hair follicle and the surrounding skin. It begins as a red lump, then fills with pus as white blood cells rush in to fight the infection. Good home care can often clear up a single boil, also known as a skin abscess.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Most boils burst and heal by themselves without the need for medical treatment. However, you should visit your doctor if you have a boil on your face, nose, or spine that gets bigger and feels soft and spongy to touch, as it may not burst and heal by itself.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.